Make a great choice today with the 2025 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, trip computer, fog lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.